La Purísima, la gritería, la gorra. Do you know what these terms mean? Hi there, I'm Joanne from Coast to Coast with Joanne. Today we're going to talk about all those terms, and if you hang around till the end, I will tell you exactly what they mean. On December 8th every year in Nicaragua, there is a tradition that is held, and this tradition dates back to 1857 in the city of León, Nicaragua. This is when devoted Catholics would build altars to honor the Virgin Mary, and they would do that in their homes, and other Catholics would go from house to house, and they would admire these altars. And there's somewhat of an exchange that goes on when these visitors would go to each house. The owners would yell out, "Who causes such joy?" And the visitors would say, "The Virgin Mary." And so what that sounds like in Spanish is, "¿Quién causa tanta alegría?" And the response is, "La Virgen María." So that exchange there, that is called la gritería, or the yelling, and it gets much more elaborate than that. I watched this happen, and people are singing songs and clapping, but that phrase is said over and over again. So after that exchange happens, the altar owners, they give these visitors, they give them little gifts. They could be sweets. I saw here, you can watch it here, I saw them give out sugarcane. I saw them give out little woven baskets, noisemakers, fruits such as bananas and oranges. I saw people giving out plastic bowls. All sorts of things were being handed out. And as you can see from the crowd here, this draws everybody into the center of town. Some of these altars now are put on by local businesses, and some are put on by the Catholic Church, and some are put on by the local government or the alcaldia's office. It is really quite something. It is marked by fireworks in the sky. However, the fireworks here are more about noise and not so much about the fire in the sky. But yeah, there was a lot of energy in town, and everybody was happy, and the lines were so long for each one of these altars. So sit back and enjoy. I hope you enjoy these sights that I was able to capture. If you are in Nicaragua in December in the future, in December 8th, I hope you get to enjoy La Purísima for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.